The peace and quiet of the Maplewood hillside disappeared forever one winter. The powers that be decided to build another new road into the mountains, and the PWD saw fit to take it right past the cottage about 6 feet from the large window which had overlooked the forest. In my journal I wrote, already they have felled most of the trees. The walnut was one of the first to go, a tree I had lived with for over 10 years, watching it grow just as I had watched Prem's little son Rakesh grow up, looking forward to its new leaf buds, the broad green leaves of summer turning to spears. Turning to spears of gold in September when the walnuts were ripe and ready to fall. I knew this tree better than the others. It was just below the window where a buttress for the road is going up. He is very sad that these things are happening. Another tree I will miss is the young deodar, the one growing in this stretch of the woods. Some years back it was stunted from the lack of sunlight. The oaks covered it with their shaggy branches. And after that the deodar grew much faster. It was just coming into its own this year, now cut down in its prime. Like my younger brother on the road to Delhi last month, both victims on the road, the tree killed by the PWD, my brother by a truck. So he's trying to compare that trees are like human beings. They have to be treated like human beings. Let's go back. In the page where it says, the old conservationists, that the Doon Valley is well forested today due to the mainly efforts of the forest department. Up to 1864 it was okay. Felling was prevalent, and we find Mr. O. Callaghan, Deputy Conservator of the Forest, writing in 1879. Everything was fine, all trees were there. There can be no doubt that Sal, Toon and Shisham were the trees only chiefly felled. All cut down, Sal, Toon and Shisham. For even now there is no demand for any other kind of timber. Still people don't care about any other trees. Sal, Toon and Shisham they need. When I entered the department in 1854, the ground was everywhere studded with stumps of those trees. And when I entered the department in 1854, the ground was everywhere studded with the stumps of those trees. So many trees have been cut down. After cutting down that left part which is there of the tree, come out. They are covered, the plants, trees are covered when they try to grow. And after cutting also they have to cover it so that people don't go ahead and see that that place was a tree which was cut down. Restrictions were gradually imposed. People were trying to stop it. But no real conservation was attempted until the 1880s. By then all that was valuable had been already cut down. And the main duty of the department was to encourage again replanting and make fosters. Fosters of new generation trees. Try to plant and bring a source, try to merge them with other plants. Foster. Get new old trees are there to get more plants like that to be planted. Those very trees which conservationists were striving to protect today. Whatever we are trying to protect, that time it was cut down. Those who look with horror upon the denudation, the denudation. What is denudation here? In the book it says denudation is stripping the cover of trees in this case. The bark skin is opened up, cover of trees. Or we can say stripping the cover of trees. So many trees are there, just cutting it off, removing it, like stripping of trees from the part. It's like a clothes, isn't it? Covers the place, hills. Just open it up, strip it off. Those who look with horror upon the denudation of our hills might well look back on the situation that confronted a settlement officer. An incident happened. Why did it get stripped off? Over 100 years ago in Jaunsar, another hilly place of that area, called all misfortunes were believed to be due to the machinations. What is machinations here? Plots or schemes, what people thought. Of one or the other of the demon spirits. They thought something has got to do with the demon spirits, bhoot. And in the gazetteer, in that information of that period, we read that people of Chijal, they had been afflicted. They had some problems, pain, they were suffering from chicken pox. Vastly chicken pox was happening. So in the religion or in their belief, the demon spirits had come and attacking them. So to remove that demon spirit, they burned down trees. As a sacrifice to the demon to stop affecting them, they burned around 400 Deodar trees. Imagine. Stripped off, all trees gone from there. 400 trees going means very pathetic. The peace and quiet of the Maplewood hillside disappeared forever. One total winter it disappeared because trees were burned down. The powers that be decided to build another new road. Another problem came up. To build a road now. Building road means cutting down trees again. Into the mountains. And the PWD, PWD takes care of the building of roads, bridges, towns, everything, right? It's the works department, the projects work department, public works department. They saw the best road to take it right past the cottage next to his house, the narrator's house or the writer's house. About just 6 feet, they leave 6 feet from your house gate, you can leave 6 feet and then the road is built. About 6 feet from the large window which had overlooked the forest. He used to look at the forest, such beautiful nature, living things. In his journal he wrote, already they have felled most of that. Already so many trees are cut down. The walnut one was the first to go. The one which he saw from his childhood. A tree I had lived with for ever 10 years, watching it grow, just as I had seen, watched Prem's Prem here is Ruskin Bond's boyhood friend who also takes care of his household work. But here, what's his name he says? Here it is Gautam, who is his Mali, is a gardener. Prem's son, he is comparing the tree to Prem's son. That tree was also growing, I have seen the son also growing. Rakesh, grow up looking forward to its new leaf buds, the broad green leaves of summer turning to spears of gold in September. During autumn, what happens? The tree dries off, that color changes, it becomes golden type. When the sun shines, it's like a pointed spearhead, the leaves, golden type. It's a beautiful thing to look at trees during autumn. Watching it grow, just I had watched Prem's little son Rakesh grow up, looking forward to its new leaf buds. After the tree leaves fall off, they become golden brown and they fall off, and then the new buds come up. I used to see that change. Like also child grows, one stage it leaves and it goes up to another stage, and another stage we change, isn't it? Every year. I knew this tree better than any of the other trees. It was just below the window where a buttress for the road is going up. Buttress is that place buttress is type of a wall is there, you see a support, elevated type support of stones they put on the wall for that support of the wall. That is a buttress. Just next to the buttress where the road was going. He knew this tree so well, it was just below his window. So we'll keep it till there and read this chapter, very nice, and I'll come back in the next class and explain it to you. Till then, you read it properly, get to know the word meanings, try to understand them, and try to write them down. Not try to write them down, it's mandatory that you have to write it down, and we'll see that it happens. Okay, and I'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take care, be good, do whatever you want after your studies. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.